with a gold chain. I'd rather sing about the same things that we claim, such as bashful, but niggas like a task force, mobbing on the streets and robbing stores and ski masks, bruh. Niggas ask for peace in the riot to bring violence, cause it's a game of cat and mouse and you gon' bleed silent. What's the justice in saying fuck it and grab the pump? To kill a woman with many children makes you a chump. Look at all the stores you reckon, nigga, I reckon. Think about the people who own it for about a second. I know you got your problem, but brother, they got theirs. This is not a gang for violence and grow repair, but show you'd rather hear me say fuck the black president. Let's murder different races, grow hatred and form irrelevant views and etc. Knife thrown, damage them lives blown, oblivion, all cold, oblivious. I won't dare say that you should stop the fucking ignorance. Murder ops, killing shit, I'd enjoy the thrill of it. Bathing blood of officers, different corpses, offering them, auction them. Don't you balk at them, murder them, never heard of them.